the setting, the accommodation, the staff, our mentors. It's genuinely, it's a beautiful experience the whole way through, and I don't believe that there was one negative aspect to the whole weekend, and I mean that, I genuinely mean that. Stevie, James, it wouldn't work without them. They're very understanding. You can feel the vibe coming from them. They make you so relaxed. And it's a very comfortable place to be. You have to try and leave all the other stuff behind you. When you do participate, just go for it, enjoy it, and it is enjoyable. It's as good a 3 days as I have had probably in my lifetime, and you make friends for life, and it's genuinely all good.